So cryptocom's CRO coin is having a fantastic day today, pushing up towards that 30% increase in the last 24 hours. So we're going to take a look at what's going on for CRO coin as well as crypto.com in this video. Make sure you guys stick around, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow me on X as well if you're watching over there. And let's get into our video. So I did a video here yesterday on the channel about CRO coin and its new partnership with Donald Trump. And we're going to get into kind of what that entails, as well as take a look at some technical analysis. So before we do so, let's just kind of change my screen here just one bit. Sorry about that. All right, so we can see on here, CRO is basically second right now in the biggest gainers list in the top 100 right now. It's actually 39th coin overall, and it is up just under 11, just about 10.5 cents. So sitting at about 28.6% move up in the last 24 hours. This thing has been smashing it, up 31% in the last 7 days. And this is really, really nice to see. We had a bit of FUD surrounding CRO last week. And so now we are seeing this move up. But what's really causing it? The partnership with Trump is absolutely what's causing this. It is the top performing altcoin in the market right now trading at a 30-day high. And the partnership between Trump Media and crypto.com is what everybody's talking about. So basically what they're doing, they are in a partnership to explore launching ETFs, including one based on CRO, Bitcoin, and other assets. And as we know, Donald Trump is putting America first and has talked about putting American crypto first as well. That's something that we've been hearing about, and CRO is American. So crypto.com is the perfect partnership. I really see this exchange taking off. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's one I've been using since I started in crypto. It's very reliable. They're quick. Their customer service is good, and they have a lot going for them right now. They're introducing a ton of new different trading features. They're going to be getting into stocks. There's a number of different things that they're going to be getting into. Now, ETFs is something they're going to be partnering with Trump on, and I can imagine it's going to be putting America first, right? And that's kind of what Donald Trump is trying to do in his presidency. So CRO, let's take a look at some technical analysis for CRO. Now there's a technical indicator called the arrow up line, and it's soared to 100%. So this indicator measures the strength and direction of a trend by tracking the time since the highest high over a set period, and it's typically about a 25-day interval. And we can see this here, it's actually at 100. So what does that show? It indicates that a new high has been reached recently and that the uptrend is very strong. So this is showing sustained bullish momentum. We could continue to see a rise here as long as demand stays and we don't get any, kind of FUD or negative news. Now, parabolic stop and reverse, the SAR indicator supports this bullish trend as well. And it's showing support is sitting pretty strong around that 6-cent range. Now, CRO eyes further gains. Like the technicals are pretty strong right now. It's actually trading, in my opinion, in a pretty low state, right? The price has failed to kind of move with the rest of the market, and it's kind of due for its time, right? It's broken above the resistance right now at 8.9 cents with strengthening demand because of the bullish news, as well as the technical setup is looking really good. We could see this thing push, maybe 12.5 cents here in the very near future. Now, we could also potentially retest support at 8.9 cents. If the bulls fail to defend it, the token price could dip back down to the 6.8 cent area. But as long as CRO keeps, building and coming out with, some more information about the strategic partnership with Trump, I think that this thing could actually take off pretty well here. Let's jump over and take a look at TradingView. Oh, sorry about that. Get rid of that ad. So we can see here, this is CRO on the 4-hour, and we can see, this thing has been just kind of slowly kind of looking like a lot of the rest of the altcoins, right? We had this high back here in January. We started off January fairly well. We can see back here even, so we started off fairly well, kind of ended up into this slump of a dip, and we jumped up to that 12-cent mark. Like I mentioned, we could potentially break through that with the amount of trading volume that we have going on right now. Because if we take a look at CRO, let's actually jump back over to CoinMarketCap here. It's just a little easier to show you guys some of the data. Like, look at the volume right here. Absolutely insane. 1,810% increase in the last 24 hours. That is the volume for CRO right now. So do we think that there's money sitting on the sidelines waiting for some potential bullish news here in crypto? I really think so. And this type of trading goes to show you how much people are just kind of waiting for tariffs to kind of you know filter out and kind of smooth out and everything kind of go back to somewhat normal. And there's just a lot of uncertainty right now, and that's pretty much what we're seeing in the market. And that's the reason why prices are staying so low, in my opinion. I think it's a little bit of excuse to dump, excuse to push the price down lower, cause people to panic sell. We've seen that. I've seen a lot of people commenting, letting me know that they are out of some of their positions. They're I'm done, I'm walking away or whatever. And it's like, this is the time we should be buying. We buy when things are in the red, we sell when things are in the green. That's literally how you make money in crypto. And if you're doing the opposite and you're letting your emotions take control of what you're doing and what you're trading, that is a recipe for disaster. And that's how I kind of learned to get over some of my fear and what keeps me up at night, right? I have to be very comfortable with my investments. And it's one of those things. Oh yeah, I wake up and I check it in the morning. Everybody does, or you might check it every other day if the market's kind of crap. But you do pay attention, and you can do that without being emotional. And that's pretty much what I'm doing, and that's why I've been holding CRO for so long. I've been holding CRO since I got into crypto back in like 2020. I got into crypto, and I have been holding CRO a long time. It's been locked up for a long time. I have a crypto.com card. I get rewards on it because I have my CRO locked up, and I have a fair bit of it. And it's one of those things. It's like you just have to kind of wait it out. You have to give it time to grow, to percolate. Unless you're out there trading pump and dumps, it's not a get rich overnight scheme. Crypto never was. All right. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. I'm really excited to see where this goes for crypto.com. I think they have a really, really great exchange. I think that they are they are up there for one of the top exchanges. I think we're going to see them take over Binance's spot, in my opinion, in due time. But they're definitely reliable. They're definitely trustworthy, in my opinion. Obviously, this is just my opinion. Please, guys, do what's right for you. But I do have a referral in the description of this video if you do want to get in to crypto.com, and you can also earn a sign-up bonus there. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.